Before we go any further, here is a reminder of what a basic Christmas tree looks like, as well interventions are performed through this. Pumping is the simplest form of well intervention as it does not involve putting hardware into the well itself. Frequently, it simply involves rigging up to the kill wing valve on the Christmas tree and pumping the chemicals into the well. If chemicals need to be placed more accurately in the well, then this will be done through coiled tubing. Wireline is another well intervention method. There are 3 different types of wireline in use: slickline, braided wireline, and electric wireline. Slickline is often used for simple mechanical remedial operations such as pulling retrievable plugs. It may also be used for operations such as light fishing jobs, gauge cutting, setting plugs, deploying or removing wireline retrievable valves, and memory logging. In case you're wondering, fishing is the removal of broken or unwanted equipment downhole. Slickline uses a relatively simple pressure control device to allow operations to be carried out on a live well. Braided wireline is used for more heavy-duty remedial operations such as fishing stuck tools. Braided wireline requires a more complex sealing system on surface in order to maintain well control, but it does allow for much heavier duty operations to be carried out. Here you can see the difference between the simple slickline stuffing box and the braided wireline grease injector required to maintain the seal with the braided wireline. Electric wireline is used to run electrically operated tools into the well, such as perforating guns, or tools which measure and report information back to surface. Coiled tubing is used to pump chemicals directly to the bottom of the well, such as in a circulating operation or a chemical wash. Coiled tubing is very often used to lower the hydrostatic head of the well fluid by pumping nitrogen in order to bring a well into production. It can also be used for tasks normally undertaken by wireline if the deviation in the well is too severe for gravity to lower the wireline tools into the well. Snubbing, also known as a hydraulic workover, involves forcing a string of pipe into the well against wellbore pressure to perform the required tasks. The rig-up is larger than for coiled tubing and the pipe is more rigid. A snubbing unit may also be used for removing the existing production tubing and replacing it with new tubing, if a well kill is not desirable. Note that a well kill may damage the formation, resulting in loss of production rather than increasing production. Today's snubbing units can be employed to provide a wide range of services. In essence, a snubbing unit is a hydraulic rig that can do everything a normal rig can do, and can also perform under pressure in an underbalanced live well state. With the use of the snubbing unit's hydraulic rotary table, the unit can be employed for fishing, milling, drilling, sidetracking, or any tasks needed to remove bridge plugs or cement or deepen wells. Subsea well intervention offers many challenges and requires much advanced planning. These interventions are commonly executed from light or medium intervention vessels or mobile offshore drilling units for the heavier interventions such as snubbing and workover drilling rigs.